Welcome to House Lux Estate, the place where we help you turn your dreams into reality. We are your go-to source for insights, tips, and comprehensive guides on a wide array of topics. Today, we're shedding light on a profession that's all about creating perfect moments: wedding planning. If you've ever dreamed of helping couples tie the knot in style, then keep listening. We're about to dive deep into the heart of the wedding industry. Today, we will unveil the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a wedding planner. First and foremost, have a passion for planning. This isn't just about having a knack for organizing events. It's about the thrill of seeing a vision come to life, the excitement of piecing together the perfect day. It's about the love for creating joyous moments and memories for others. The wedding planning industry is not for the faint-hearted. It requires long hours, meticulous coordination, and the ability to handle curveballs with grace. This is where your passion comes into play. It's the fuel that keeps you going, the spark that lights up your creativity, and the drive that pushes you to go the extra mile, even when things get tough. It's the passion that makes every detail, every decision, and every challenge worthwhile. Remember, the most successful wedding planners are those who genuinely love what they do. Without passion, the stress and demands of the job may become overwhelming. Secondly, having strong interpersonal skills is crucial. This is the oil that keeps the machine of wedding planning running smoothly. You see, you'll be interacting with a variety of personalities, from the happy couple and their families to a diverse mix of vendors. Each party will have their own expectations, demands, and quirks. Your ability to communicate effectively, to empathize, to negotiate, and to build relationships will make all the difference. It's through these skills that you'll be able to understand and deliver on your client's vision, while also mediating between different stakeholders. Remember, you are the conductor of a grand orchestra. It's your job to ensure each instrument plays in harmony towards a beautiful symphony. That is the wedding day. And this can only be achieved if you can effectively interact and connect with each player. With strong interpersonal skills, you can smoothly navigate through any potential conflicts or misunderstandings. Thirdly, having a keen eye for detail is a must. Picture this: a wedding where every element, no matter how small, works in harmony to create a beautiful, cohesive experience. The magic lies in the minute details. From the precise shade of the table linens to the exact timing of the first dance, each detail contributes to the overall success of the event. Attention to detail is what separates a good wedding planner from a great one. It's about more than just making sure the cake arrives on time. It's about ensuring that each element of the wedding reflects the couple's unique story and vision. Think of how a seemingly minor detail like the font on the invitations can set the tone for the entire event, or how the placement of a single flower can transform a centerpiece. The small details can often make the biggest impact in a wedding. A fourth on our list is the need for business acumen. Now, you might be wondering, I thought wedding planning was all about creativity and passion. Well, yes, but remember, at its core, wedding planning is a business. And like any business, understanding the principles of management is vital. Let's talk about budgets. A wedding planner needs to know how to manage financial resources wisely. It's not just about planning a beautiful wedding, it's about creating a memorable event within the client's budget. Negotiating contracts is another area where business acumen comes into play. From floral arrangements to venue bookings, a wedding planner must negotiate the best deals while ensuring quality service. Lastly, marketing your services is crucial in this competitive field. You need to know how to effectively promote yourself to attract potential clients. In conclusion, remember this: a successful wedding planner is not only creative and passionate, but also a savvy business person. Fifth, a good wedding planner needs to be creative. Creativity is like a magic wand in the hands of a wedding planner. It's the unique spark that brings a vision to life, transforming a blank venue into a wonderland of love and celebration. Whether it's envisioning a fairy tale forest theme or creating a vintage rustic charm, your creativity will be the guide. Think about it. Each couple is different, each love story is unique, so why should their weddings be anything less? As a wedding planner, your job is to design a wedding that reflects the couple's personality, their story. It's about weaving their dreams into reality, creating memories that will be cherished for a lifetime. And it's not just about the big picture. Creativity comes into play in the smallest of details: choosing the perfect color palette, finding the right lighting, selecting unique centerpieces. Because in the end, your creativity can turn a simple wedding into an unforgettable event. On sixth, flexibility is key in this industry. In the realm of wedding planning, each day brings a new challenge, and each event is a unique masterpiece waiting to happen. You never know when a vendor may cancel, a weather forecast may change, or a bride may have a last-minute idea for her big day. Being flexible means being able to quickly adapt to these changes, keeping a cool head and maintaining the vision of a perfect wedding. It's about problem-solving on the fly, about turning obstacles into opportunities. It's about transforming a rain-soaked outdoor venue into a romantic, candlelit indoor ceremony. It's about finding a new caterer in the 11th hour or incorporating that last-minute idea into the wedding theme. Remember, as a wedding planner, you're not just organizing an event, you're creating a dream. And dreams are fluid, they're dynamic, so be like water, adaptable, always flowing. In the world of wedding planning, being flexible can save the day. 7th, mastering stress management is crucial. As a wedding planner, you'll often find yourself in high-pressure situations. Multiple tasks need your attention, deadlines are looming, and expectations are high. This is where the art of stress management comes into play. It's about maintaining your composure, keeping a clear mind, and making sound decisions no matter the pressure. Imagine this. You're on a tight schedule and the cake delivery is delayed, or the florist has sent the wrong flowers. These are situations that can lead to stress, but with good stress management skills, you'll be able to navigate through these challenges with grace. You'll learn to prioritize tasks, delegate when necessary, and keep your cool even when things seem to be going awry. It's about turning chaos into order, keeping the end goal in mind, and executing your plan effectively. With good stress management skills, you can stay calm and composed even in the face of adversity. 8th, building a strong network is vital. Just as a spider weaves an intricate web to catch its meals, so too must you weave a network of contacts to catch opportunities. Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards at events. It's about fostering relationships with vendors, clients, and other industry professionals. Imagine having a go-to florist who knows exactly what you want for each event, or a trusted photographer who understands your vision without much explanation. This is the power of a strong network. It's a resource that can provide you with valuable insights, advice, and services. Furthermore, networking can open doors to opportunities you might not have found otherwise. It could be a referral to a high-profile client or a partnership with an exclusive venue. Remember, in the wedding planning industry, it's not just what you know, but who you know. A strong network can provide you with valuable resources and opportunities. 9th, having knowledge of various wedding traditions is important. A wedding planner isn't just someone who arranges flowers and sends out invitations. They're also a cultural guide, helping couples navigate the intricate traditions that make their day special. From the tossing of the bridal bouquet in American weddings to the Sangeet ceremony in Indian nuptials, each tradition adds a unique flavor to the celebration. Understanding these customs is not just about knowing what happens when, but also why it happens. This knowledge helps in planning a wedding that is not just visually beautiful, but also emotionally significant. Being familiar with different wedding traditions also opens doors to a more diverse clientele. Today's world is a global village, and you may find yourself planning a Greek Orthodox wedding one day and a traditional Japanese Shinto ceremony the next. The more traditions you're familiar with, the wider your client base becomes. Understanding different wedding traditions can broaden your client base. Lastly, getting proper education and training can boost your career. It's not just about booking a venue or choosing the right flowers. There's a science to event planning that requires a specific skill set. Studying event management or hospitality can provide you with the knowledge you need to excel in this industry. These courses often cover a range of topics, from contract negotiation to food and beverage management. You may also want to consider getting certified. Certifications, such as those offered by the Association of Bridal Consultants or the Wedding Planning Institute, can enhance your credibility. They demonstrate to potential clients and employers that you have the necessary skills and dedication to succeed in this field. Moreover, they often come with opportunities for internships and networking events, where you can meet industry professionals. With proper education and training, you can stand out in the competitive field of wedding planning. So those are the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a wedding planner. From nurturing a passion for planning, honing interpersonal skills, developing an eye for detail, acquiring business acumen, to unleashing creativity, embracing flexibility, mastering stress management, building a network, understanding traditions, and investing in education. Each plays a vital role in shaping a successful wedding planning career. Thank you for watching House Lux's Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this.